Today at GLOJAS, we have the patient came all the way from Japan to do a hair transplant.
I'm here to take a hair plant for my big forehead. When I was a child, like a 3 to 5 year old, my mom tied my hair up so strong and my forehead became like M-shaped.
Lowering hairline design.
I'm so excited for the surgery. I like this design. The surgery was no pain after 4 hours. It's a bit swollen now, but I'm so happy.
Today is exactly day 5 after the SMART FUE, and today we're going to review the patient. It's already 5 days, today's day 5. Microscope is already out with a SMART FUE. This is on the left side, this is in front, this is on the right side. This is the design that patient wish to have.
Today's day 5 and I'm going back to Osaka, Japan with this new hairline. Thank you for Professor Dato Dr. JasG. Thank you, GLOJAS.